The function f is defined by the given equation. For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum? So we have this function f of x here, and the first thing we're going to do is just distribute the parentheses. So we're going to we're going to do binomial multiplication here. So we're going to have f of x equals x times x, which is x squared. X times negative 46 is negative 46x. Negative 44 times x is negative 44x. And 44 times 46. If we put that into our calculator, is equal to 2024. So, and since these are both negative, then that means the result is just positive. So we have this function here. We can simplify it a little by adding the like terms. So we'll just have negative 46 plus minus 44. That's equal to negative 90x plus 2024. And we see that this is a quadratic. And since x squared here is positive, there's a positive 1 as a coefficient. And that means that this function is concave up, meaning this quadratic looks something like this. And that means that the vertex down here is going to be the minimum of this quadratic. So we just need to find the x value of the vertex. And from the formula x equals negative b over 2a, this is the x value of the vertex of a quadratic. We can just find the x value of the vertex. So in a quadratic, the b value is the coefficient of the x term, and a is the coefficient of the x squared term. C is this constant. So here, the coefficient of the x squared term is positive 1. So we'll just have 2 times 1, which is 2. And then we're going to have negative b's. And so b here is negative 90, so that means 90 is going to be the numerator. And 90 divided by 2 is simply 45. So that means b is the correct answer. At an x value of 45, the function f of x reaches its minimum.